Welcome to Fly Eats Kitchen. I'm Jessica, your host, and today we are making some fried rice, but not any fried rice, because of course we have to make it fly. We are making crab fried rice, and we're also gonna top it with some garlic buttery, parsley, saucy Dungeness crab on top. It's gonna be loaded with flavor, super delicious. You guys already know what it is, so let's get right into it. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, share, comment below, and let's get right into this yummy crab recipe. Our ingredients are, okay, I will stop saying that they're super simple because I was told that every time I say super simple ingredients, I list about 20. And it might be true, but they are very essential ingredients. And honestly, I won't say that it's simple. I will say that depending on your cook skills, you can gauge where the simple meter works. So I will say there are a lot of moving pieces, but this is still a really easy, quick recipe to make. So of course, for the ingredients, we have to start with some crab, baby. I have some Dungeness crab that I got from Costco. These are just 3 large clusters. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. We're gonna clean these and then make a nice simple, there you go, that word again. Simple garlic butter sauce. It's gonna be just light and delicious. And for our fried rice, we need all of our veggies. So I have some red peppers, some carrots. Of course, we need some rice, baby. I just have 1 cup of rice, y'all. The serving size says 4 to 5 people, or 4 to 5 servings, I should say, out of 1 cup. I tend to make way more rice than I need to, and so we're just going to do 1 cup today and make it work. I know a lot of times with fried rice, they say to use day-old white rice, but honestly, I don't eat white rice that often, and so here we are. We're gonna make the rice, we're gonna make all the things. It's gonna be very, very delicious. We have some sweet onions right here, and of course some garlic. I chopped like a gazillion cloves. We also have some scallions, some leeks, and also some cilantro. We're gonna have some parsley for our garlic butter sauce for the crab. And of course, I also have some lump crab that we're gonna add into our fried rice. So not just the clusters, but we're also gonna have some chunky lump crab that we're gonna add in there. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get right into cleaning our crab. All you're gonna do is literally place it into a pot of boiling water just for like 5 minutes, just so we can clean it off, because listen, we don't know where that crab been. Cleaning the crab is going to be really simple. You're going to have a pot of boiling water. You're going to throw your clusters in there. It's really just to get any residual dirt or dust or sand off of them. Like I said, we don't know where these crabs have been, so we want to make sure that they're as clean as possible. And then in another bowl, you're going to have some water and throw some ice cubes in it to just kind of have like an ice bath. Throw your crab in there because you're only going to have it boiling for a couple minutes. You don't want to overcook them, so you're just going to put them in that ice water bath to stop the cooking process and have them hang out over there until we are ready to coat them with our buttery parsley garlic sauce. Now, next up is our rice. Again, we clean everything out here, so we're gonna rinse this rice out. Look at that rice water, y'all. If you don't rinse your rice, if you don't clean your rice, you really should, because yeah, that's how my mama taught me. After that, you're going to have another pot of boiling water. Follow those rice instructions, y'all, because like I told y'all, making rice is not my strong suit, but I just follow the instructions and it always comes out right. Add that rice into boiling water. You're going to add some salt, some pepper. Actually, also squeeze in some lime juice. And then it is fluffy and ready to go, but we're going to set it on the side while we get all of our other ingredients together. If you have a large wok, cool. If not, you just need a really, really big pan because you're going to put a lot of things in it. Drop down your cooking oil. This is about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, but whatever cooking oil you have is fine. I would put it on medium hot heat, or medium high heat rather. Throw in your sweet onions. The wok gets really, really, really hot, all of the sides, and that's the great thing about it. So you're gonna have all of that in there in medium heat. Add in your garlic, your scallions. Let all of that, just yumminess fill your air. It's gonna be really good, but you don't want to overcook it. So if you have to bring down your heat just a little bit, then make sure you do that. Stir it up, get the oil coated on it, those garlic. Then you're gonna add in the rest of your veggies and cook it all down. This is the red peppers, your leeks, what else, the scallions, I already said that. And you're just gonna have it all cook in there. Oh, the carrots, obviously, have it cooked down, and then kind of push it on the side of your wok and throw in a couple of eggs, and then you're just gonna lightly scramble it within the wok. We want to have a one pot meal to a certain degree, and so you don't have to dirty a whole bunch of stuff, cooking the eggs separate, cutting your veggies separate. You don't have to do all of that. And honestly, this is better because it gets all of the flavor from your sauteed veggies onto the egg. I would sprinkle a little bit of salt and then mix it all in together. Again, the heat at this point is really not that high. You don't want to overcook anything because you want your veggies to have like a nice bite to it. In another pan, which you really didn't have to do this, but for whatever reason I just decided to, you're gonna throw in your lump crab meat, and that has garlic and a little bit of lime juice on the side just for it to be heated. And then you're gonna transfer it in with your veggies and all that good stuff. Add in your rice, and you're gonna also add in the sauce. I don't have it recorded or filmed here, but you're gonna add in your fish sauce and soy sauce, a little bit of sugar. You can mix that sauce on the side and then add it all together, mix it in with your rice, and you're gonna start seeing the color kind of, you know, darken. It's not gonna be like crazy dark. I don't really feel like it needs to be when making fried rice. I also try not to put too much soy sauce or the fish sauce, to be honest, because both sauces can be really strong with a lot of sodium, and so we don't want to overdo it. So definitely see what your taste buds are saying. Follow your cook stinks. Now for our garlic buttery sauce, you're gonna add in that butter, some oil, and you're gonna just kind of let it cook a little bit, and then add in your garlic. I'm a garlic freak, as you all know, or if you're new to this channel, then you will know I put garlic everything. And so adding your garlic, I don't really have it in too much of a high heat. So again, medium is your safe spot. You don't want to burn that garlic because you want all of those flavors to really elevate and to be just an added component to our crab. Once it all kind of starts caramelizing together, add in your cup of white wine. Any dry white wine that you have is fine. If you don't have white wine, honestly, it's all good too. You can add a little bit of butter, or a little more butter, I would say, or maybe a little bit more oil, just so you can have a little bit more sauce. And then in a pan, you're going to just pour that sauce all over your crab. I could eat this like every single day. That's how much I love seafood. But you're gonna pour that all over your crab, and then I put it in the oven for just I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes at like 250 degrees, not too hot, but just so all that flavor just kind of sticks to your crab. I also sprinkled a little bit of salt and pepper. That is again to taste, or you can just omit that all together, but it's really up to you. Throw in some parsley because, you know, a little color don't hurt nobody. And I just think it's just a really great added freshness onto our crab that is so delicious. And then, y'all, you just put it all together, place it on this plate, and get ready to eat. Oh, looks so good, smells so good. So let's go ahead and try it. Our crab fried rice is all ready, and look how good this looks. I'm also extra nervous because my friends are here who are gonna actually try it, but you guys are not gonna see that part. What you will see is this beautiful presentation, and I'm gonna try a first bite. What I love the most about this dish is just how easy it is to make. I know I list a laundry list of ingredients, but it is really easy. Just find someone to be your sous chef, get your man, get your girl, get your kids, have them safely cut up all your veggies, and then you're able to just put this wonderful meal together that has so much flavor, so much depth. It's just so filling and so yummy, and you made it. I made it. I'm not being biased. It is really good. My friends are here, so they'll be able to tell me if it's trash. I really don't think so though, because I know how to cook. So, you guys have to try this recipe. I'll put in the comments all of the list of the ingredients, And make sure that you guys like, subscribe, share, comment below. Try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. And be sure to come back to another episode of Fly Eats Kitchen.